Hello there guys, this is the video for the people who are still struggling in claiming Hokk and still confused like how to do it in TrustWallet and MetaMask. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's start. First of all, we start with MetaMask because it's quite complicated. In first we add Heco network. We go to MetaMask, we go to settings and we go to network. In network we go on add network and we add Heco Mainnet, and you have to fill this up. I'll also put this in this description as well for you guys. So once you add it, then you have to add HT token, which is Hobby token, Hobby chain token. So for that I'm going from Qcoin. So you copy the address of HT token of the Heco network from the MetaMask and you go to Qcoin. So then you go to withdraw and you type HT. You need to have minimum 2.1 HT to send it from Qcoin. So I bought 2.1 and you select the network, paste the address, select the network as Heco, no other address, only Heco, because you are sending it to Heco network. Then you select the maximum. I bought the minimum 2.1 and is sending it. Then you put your trading password in and whatever it is and send it. It will come in seconds when I done it. So then I go to the Hokk Telegram group and to copy the address for the Heco first to claim the Heco token, Heco Hokk token. Yes. So let's see if I have received. Yeah, I have received 2 HT. So now I go to the browser in MetaMask, open a new tab and paste the Heco Hokk claim link, as you can see. And once your network is collected, you just click on claim and then pay the fees and it's all there. So once you have paid, you go to the Telegram Hokk Telegram group back, copy the address of Heco Hokk and open MetaMask again. I was copying every time, so it was taking me time. So you copy the Hokk address and you go to import tokens, custom token, and paste the address in there. And the token symbol is Hokk and it's already selected everything. 18, this decimal is 18, and you done, and when you see the Hokk is there already. So once we finish with Heco, now it's time to do the BSC network Hokk claim. So we go to MetaMask again, we go to settings, we select the network again, we add the network of BSC scan. We click on add network, we type in the smart chain network address, URL and everything. I will copy that again for you guys to copy. Who are already done it, they don't need to do it again. So once you added the network, you can go back to smart chain. Then you have to add BNB in BEP20. You go to BNB, click on receive, copy the address. As I've done it from Qcoin, I'm doing it from Qcoin again. You go to Qcoin, you click on withdraw, you select BNB, and then the minimum amount you want to send or whatever you want to send, you paste the address, you write the amount, you select the network as BEP20. I think Qcoin only do BEP20 at the moment. So once you fill that everything up, then you confirm and pay the fees and whatever. Once you've done that, you go back to the Hokk group to copy the website of Hokk BSC scan. Then you select smart chain, make sure you on the right one network. When you're claiming the token, you go to the browser, you open a new tab, you copy paste the new BSC Hokk claim address. You will see that like Heco chain, the BSC network is already connected. You click on claim, you pay the fees, and if the transaction is successful, you go back to what's it called, a Telegram Hokk group, copy the BSC contract address of Hokk, and then come back to MetaMask again, go to the import token, custom token, paste the token name, and it will already selected Hokk and the decimal is 18. It's already connected. So you add the token, and now you can see your Hokk claim token in BSC network. Once you've done that, the next bit is we're gonna do is the Ethereum network chain. So for that, you already have the Ethereum network in MetaMask. You just need to go to the Telegram group of Hokk, make sure you copy the right address and come back, select the right network in MetaMask, go to the browser, select that new tab, copy and paste the address, and claim the token. Make sure you check the gas fees. If it's too high, you can wait. It's better to wait instead of paying the highest fees. Once you claim, you wait for the transaction to complete. Once the transaction is successful, once your transaction is successful, you can go back to the Hokk group and copy the contract address of Hokk Ethereum network. Make sure you always get the address and the contract address from Hokk Telegram group in the pin message. Don't just copy paste anything anyone send you. It can be a scam. So once you copy the address, you can come back to MetaMask and you go to import tokens, and then you go to custom token, you paste the address and it will automatically select Hokk token and decimal is 18. You can add, then you have to refresh for it quite few times to get the token. You can see your token in Ethereum network. So that's how you claim your Hokk token from MetaMask in all three networks. Once we done that, now we go at TrustWallet. In TrustWallet, you don't have to add a network because it's multi-network. So what you need to do is just to add Hobby token, HT, Smart Chain BNB token, and Ethereum token. So you can see how much you have to claim if you need to claim your Hokk using TrustWallet. So once you've done that, you go back to the Telegram group of Hokk. You copy the address. First we start with Heco. The procedure is same. You copy the address of Heco Hokk claim. You paste it in the website in Safari or Google Chrome. So once you've done that, they ask you to connect the network. You select the network and you select TrustWallet. It might take few seconds to connect. So once it's connected, it will tell you to go back to the website. You go back to the website. As you can see, it's showing me 0 because I can't claim, because I don't have any Hokk in TrustWallet. So once you claim from TrustWallet, if you have any Hokk, you can come back and you can then copy the address from Telegram, the contract address of Heco Hokk. You just copy the address. Make sure you copy from pin message. I'm repeating myself, you have to, otherwise you get scammed. So once you've done that, copy the address, you come back to TrustWallet, you go click select Hokk. If it doesn't come up, you add token. You select the right network. Make sure you select Heco Hobby Eco Chain to paste the network for Heco. Then you write the full name of Hokk, which is Hokkido Inu. Then you place the symbol, which is Hokk. Then you put the decimal. In TrustWallet, you have to do it manually, everything. So once you've done that, you're good to go. So you got the Hokk already. So the same way you can add BSC and the Ethereum network. What you have to do is to copy paste the website and connect it. Then you can add the contract address of Hokk in BSC and Ethereum in the same way that I done in HT. You copy the address of BSC, as I'm doing it right now. You copy the address of BSC now, and you go. It's always after once you claim the token, you can go back and do it. So you go back to TrustWallet. You go on click right on search bar Hokk in a search bar. Then you select BSC chain, Smart Chain, paste the address. It's automatically selected. Then you Hokk, if you have claimed Hokk BSC scan, it will show there. So once you've done that, the last bit is to do the Ethereum. You paste the address again of Ethereum network contract address, and you are good to go. So you have all three Hokk showing in TrustWallet. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Hope this video is helpful in claiming the Hokk token. Please share and subscribe this video and like. Thank you very much.